Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use any videos audio for your Instagram Reels. So if you heard a sound you love on a random video, or you got your favorite song on your library, what if I told you there's a way to use any videos audio for your own Reels? Even it's not a trending sound yet. So in this tutorial, I'll show you the secret hack to extract and use any videos audio like a pro. No complicated apps, just quick, easy content magic. So what you need to do first is just open the Instagram application, and now you can just click on the plus icon in here and choose the video that you want to upload to your reels. Let's say I want to add this video in here, and now you can just click on the edit video options at the bottom left corner, and here you can just swipe until you find the import audio option. So just tap on that option, and now you can import any audio from your video, the video on your gallery. Let's say I want to just import audio from this video in here. So this is just an example. You can just click on a video, and now it will be importing the audio. You can, if it gets long or if it's longer than the video, you can choose the part that you want for your reel. After that, you can just tap on done on the top, and like that, now the audio will be added to your reel. You can also edit the audio if you want to. You can adjust the volume, you can add some fade effects, or you can also split and adjust the audio if you want to. So if you're done editing, you can just click on the arrow, and you can now just upload the reels. You can write the captions, you can write the hashtag, tag people at locations, and just share it. So let me repeat the steps. So if you want to import any audio from your phone, you can just open Reels and click on edit a video and choose the import audio options, this one in here, and now you can just select the videos to add to your Reels. That's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Like if you love finding new hacks for Instagram, and also subscribe and click on the thanks for more real tricks. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.